Hello friends, welcome to this video. Now in the previous video we saw that how we can create the 100% stake column chart and 100% stake bar chart. Now in this video I want to focus on the major differences between a normal stake column chart and a normal 100% stake column chart. Okay, so what are the differences between these two charts? So let us see the differences. First of all, we'll start with the purpose here. So stake column chart and the 100% stake column chart. So what is the purpose of the stake column chart? It is used to show the actual values contributed by each subcategory to the total. So if you want to see the actual value in each of the category, then we can go for the stake column chart. And the 100% stake column chart is used to show the percentage contribution, that what is the relative share of each of the subcategories. So within each category or within each product, if I want to see the contribution of each of the subcategories or each of the region, yeah, whether it is 30%, 20%, 40%, whatever, so that I can see very well with the 100% stake column chart. Total height of each column. So in the total height of each column, in the normal stake column chart, it varies depending upon their total value, total sales or total profit. The height of the column will change, but in the 100% stake column chart, it is always equal to 100%. The height of all the columns will be always same, 100%, regardless of the actual totals. The focus of the stake column chart is that we can see both the things, that is the totals and the parts. They are very important, then we go for this stake column chart. But if we are interested in the proportions or the composition within each of the product or each of the category, then we go for the 100% stake column chart. Then it is written here, best used when. So again, I'm repeating the point that when you want to compare the actual totals and contribution of each categories, then we go for the stake column chart. When you want to compare the distributions or proportions across categories, then we go for the 100% stake column chart. Ideal data. So in the ideal data, here it says when totals differ meaningfully and you want to show those differences, then we go for the stake column chart. And the 100% stake column chart, it is used when you want to remove the effect of the different totals. Let's say I don't want to see the effect of the totals, I want to see the relative differences. Then I go for the 100% stake column chart. Then we are having the interpretation. So interpretation in the stake column, it shows how much each subcategory adds numerically, what is the contribution. While here in the case of 100% stake column chart, it shows what percentage each subcategory contributes. So here it is focused on percentage, here it is focused on the numbers. We are having the examples. So examples are, if you want to display the sales values of regions per month, then we go for the stake column chart. And if you want to see the market share percentage of regions per month, then we go for the 100% stake column chart. Appearance, bars have different heights based on totals. Yeah, so the heights will be different. While here all the bars are having the equal height. The limitation of the stake column chart is that it is hard to compare the middle segments. Totals may dominate visual. So sometimes the totals are there, but we are not able to see it properly. While in case of the 100% stake column chart, the limitation is this, that actual values are lost. So I don't know that, okay, what is the total sales in northern region or southern region. I can see only the percentage comparison in the 100% stake column chart. So friends, these are the major points of differences between the stake column chart and the 100% stake column chart. The same thing you can also do it for the stake bar chart and the 100% stake bar chart. The points will be same. Now in the next video, we'll be focusing on the last chart in the both the column chart and bar chart, which is known as 3D column chart and the bar chart. So see you then in the next video. Thank you very much.